Good morning, folks. Jose with Sailing Vessel Reverie, here with another update. We are very, very close to the start of our painting. Actually, yesterday we finished touching up the hull. There were a couple of spots after we sanded that need a little touching up, so we finished that up. So we have a nice clean surface to apply our barrier coat. And of course, when you think you're that close, something else comes up. And what we found was the pendant, the pin that holds our centerboard needs to be replaced. And I'm going to show you a little bit of a close-up on that. I'd like to ask you if you like this videos. There's several others on our refit and everything we've done. Please subscribe to our channel. Just click on the button below and click on the alerts. And we hope you enjoy the refit and the videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to send them our way. I'll be happy to answer any questions you post out there. So let me show you how Pearson attach the centerboard to the keel. So let's take a look. So folks, here's how Pearson attached the centerboard to the keel. So in the Pearsons, this is a lead keel. You can see here in the metal, so we don't have to worry too much about corrosion. And what they did is they cut a hatch. Actually, this is on both sides, and I'll show you the other side in a second, where the pendant goes through, and that's what supports or holds your centerboard attached to the keel. There's a little hatch that goes on top of it once you have it in place, and then you glass over it to basically seal the area as best you can for the, of course you're going to have water there no matter what you do, but what this is going to do is it's going to smooth the surface on the keel to maintain the aerodynamic or the water flow into the keel. So let me show you the other side, and I'll show you how that pendant looks. So here's the other side of the keel. This is where the centerboard pivot pin goes through. You can see it here. It has a significant amount of wear. There's a lot of pink on the base of it, which means that the bronze is bad. There's a lot of wear around the pin itself, which could be dangerous to keep using it that way. The way it gets installed, it slides in through that hole, and there's two bronze bolts that screw it in place. These are not structural bolts. They're just designed to keep it in place. Unfortunately, we broke one, so we're going to have to drill and tap it out and get two new screws put in. So just like on the other side, we have another fiberglass cover lid that goes on the keel. This will get bolted on. It will get refinished with fiberglass. And basically that will complete that reassembly process for the keel. So that's our last project before we can finish. We're going to have to lift the boat and slide the block forward so we can finish dropping the centerboard. And you can see a portion of it right there. So we can take it out, paint it, finish it, and mount it back up. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching a very short video. I'll give you an update on the pendant. I have no idea where I'm going to look for that yet, so I'm going to check with General Propeller and another company called Rig-Rite that has a lot of the spare parts for Pearson still. So I'm going to see if I can find it. If not, I'm going to have one made. And but once I have it ready, I'll give everybody an update, let you know what I did. Last thing, I wanted to send a big thank you to Oloclip. Oloclip is a company that makes these little clips, and they make the lenses that you can use with your iPhone or your Google phone in order to record video. It gives you either wider lens or telephoto all on that little lens. And I can tell you that I had this for several years, and since I started doing this project, I used it and abused it. I probably dropped it 100 times. Last time I dropped it, I kind of stepped on it and broke the spring. Of course, I had to step on it to break it. And Oloclip has been watching the videos that I've been putting out, so they were graceful enough to send me a new clip, which I really appreciate. So thank you so much. All of the videos you've been seeing on the refit have been recorded with this. This is the first time I'm starting to use my regular camera, a Sony, and but I wanted to let you know that anybody can do this. All it takes is a phone and a little lens, and you can also record the work that you're doing, your history, your fun times, and all of that. So with that, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you updated on the posts, and we're very, very close to the start of the painting, so we're all excited about that. And we'll show you what that looks like once we get rolling. Thank you for watching.